Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Last week was very good, we all made money. But trust me, coming week I'm a bit skeptical. Reason is quite obvious, it's due to the geopolitical tensions. I think most likely most of the stocks tomorrow will open with a gap down. But let me also add something here that whenever we are seeing geopolitical tensions escalating, markets are dropping down but then we are seeing quick recovery as well. So we can consider this as buying opportunity, maybe yes, maybe no. The reason I say this is because of the historical data. We can see whenever stocks took a dump, very next day onwards we are seeing good recovery. We will see that on the daily chart. So let's start with DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. I'm on the weekly chart. Here definitely we can see market is extremely bullish. Previously we saw a dip here and then a quick recovery, and we are seeing for the last 2 months market is just going higher. Last closing is above the resistance, that is 4500. Market has beautifully taken out. Closing is at 4521. On the weekly chart we are not seeing any signs of bears or selling pressure. But yes, maybe due to this news there are chances market can come down for a correction, and then maybe we can see support established to see a new leg to the upside. Overall DFM market index is extremely positive. Let's go down to the daily chart and see how the market is looking. So here we can see previously when market took the dips, recent dip was right here at around 4360 points. We saw a small correction. Again market recovered very nicely. Even here we saw a big red candle. You can see this was due to the geopolitical tensions. There was a negative news, but thankfully market has recovered very nicely. We can see it broke the resistance on the way up, and now market is gearing up for 4555 points. There are chances, as I just mentioned, we may see gap down opening in most of the stocks. One thing that is very good on the daily chart is, if you are all watching my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning 4500 is the next resistance area. Market broke the resistance in Thursday session. In Friday session we are seeing a successful retest. Market came down till about 4500 and then pushed it up to close at 4521 points. There are chances tomorrow we may see a gap down opening in most of the stocks. This support might be taken out. We can see it coming down till about 4450 points. If we look at the downside momentum right from the closing till about this area, then we can see market may come down 1.4%, that is negative. If this zone also fails, that is around 4450 points, then next support at 4430, and then we have a strong support at 4400 points. Hopefully market does not come down till this area. A small consolidation above 4460 points would be just perfect, and from here we can expect a continuation to hit our next target, that is 4555 points. Overall DFM market on the daily chart is also very strong. It's just because of this news we might see some interruption in trending stocks. Let me also add, yes, strong and bullish stocks might take smaller hit. Negative stocks will be taking more beating. They can make a new low. Advantage with bullish stock is, yes, they can drop, they can establish a base and then start its upside momentum again. Weekly chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange, is looking a bit weaker, not negative, just weaker. The reason I say this is around 9480 to 9500 points. We can see market is making wicks. It means there is rejection into this zone. Overall the trend is still strong, it's to the upside. We saw a consolidation phase around 9300 points, and then finally market broke out. Resistance of 9400 is taken out already. We were looking at 9500 as our target, and then 9563 on the weekly chart. Let's go down to daily and see how the market is looking. So here we can definitely see some weakness. Check this out, market retested the resistance area, that is 9480 points. We saw in Wednesday session market printed a solid green candle. In Thursday session market retested the same zone successfully. We saw a closing above 9480 points. But in Friday session we were supposed to see a follow through to get a indication that sellers are taken out and buyers are in control. Looking at the last solid red candle, this is clearly a sign of weakness. There are chances that it can come down till about 9,400 points due to the news and due to the geopolitical scenarios. If this fails to hold, then we can see a big drop till about 9,352 points. Overall, as we know, ADX market is also trending. They are very good stocks which are climbing higher and giving us good profits. So to summarize, I would say both the markets, that is ADX and DFM, are bullish, no doubt. The only thing is, due to the geopolitical scenarios, we might see market taking a pause or it may go for a correction. But at the same time, it does not mean that there will be no opportunities. Definitely, if you pick up your stocks correctly, bullish stocks, as I just mentioned, they may drop, find support, and then it will try to climb up again. So we can take this as an opportunity. When market dips, pick up bullish stocks so that when it starts its bullish run again, we can make big money. Most of you had requested for Apex, so here is my view on this stock. We can see slight correction has started right from the top, that is around 4.50 area. It's been printing red candles back to back. It did not respect first immediate support that was at 4.16 area. We are seeing closing at 4.09. Well, this is a good place for a correction. There are chances it can come down into this zone that is between 3.74 to 3.87 area. This can be a good demand for Apex. If at all it takes a pause here and gives us a buying signal, then this will be an opportunity. There are chances we can see a new leg to the upside that could be between 4.62 to 4.86 area. This is resistance. For now, looking at the price action, Apex without a doubt is very bullish. It's in a strong uptrend. Let's combine both the thing that is number one, correction phase, number two, the geopolitical scenario that can affect the price of this stock. If this zone fails to hold, then we are going deeper till about 3.40 to 3.20 area. This will be a deeper correction. If at all buyers can sustain into this area, if they can defend this price, definitely it would be a healthy correction. We can expect upside momentum again from here. If at all we see a deeper correction till around 3.20 to 3.40, then we will see this zone acting as a resistance most likely, and then either we may see a correction again or it may go sideways to establish a base and then potentially a breakout. Overall, Apex is still in an uptrend. Just by two red candles, it does not mean that trend has reversed. So I wish you all the very best for coming week. Hit the like button if this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.